Let's go, dude! Let's go! But I think they're gonna want to work here eventually, so I think we're gonna be okay. We just gotta stay positive. Okay, we'll check in later. Alright guys, we're in the action. I'm feeling less hungover, and we got a turkey gobbling finally. Gage just threw up. No, I didn't. I think it's coming from this direction. You think it's coming from this direction? Exactly what I want to do right now. What do you want to do? I want to go. I kind of want to get just one excited one. This is why we make a good team. It's a good balance.
Hey y'all. That was fun.
Good job.
Was that awesome?
Yeah.
Did you click record?
I think so.
Did you?
Yeah.
Dude, he was right here. I heard
You were
him
right.
drumming.
I heard him jump. I was like,
I was like, I heard it. And I was
yeah,
like,
he
wait a
was
second.
right here.
He's drunk. Dude, I freaking...
He's kind of acting weird.
Did you see his beard? It's like this.
Is it? He's a gobbler.
No, it's just spindly.
That was so awesome. That's what it's all about.
The old Big Oaks plot, boys. Dude, that's awesome.
Drumming was so cool.
That was so awesome.
Yeah, he didn't want to come in here.
No. I mean, he probably didn't
But
see him
I
until he
realize how tall
went there.
that grass was. He couldn't see.
Where'd he come out? Like right here.
Dude,
He
he
was-
was. When I saw him first, I wish you could have got him on camera here. When I saw him,
I know. Well, when he first popped out in frame, I was like, holy.
he was right here when I first saw him.
Yeah, he walked that trail. So he saw the decoys.
Yeah, I guess he was up on that ridge.
Yeah, he saw him for a while. He's timid.
Yeah, we could do him drumming. He was right there.
He acted kind of funky.
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was little.
Oh my gosh! Here, hold the hooks up so I can video.
Unlook his beard real quick.
Look at these hooks. Oh my gosh.
I don't know where I hit him.
Biggest
I hit
spurred
him.
turkey ever on this farm.
Oh, on your gloves.
Oh, my nice gloves.
What, bud? All right, guys. Fourth season in Illinois. Got my bird last week in Austin's, and we kind of do like a little trade-off just to spice it up and have some fun and be able to hunt together. And came to my farm, put a blind up really quick last night, and I've always thought this Big Oaks plot would be a really cool spot to try to get on a bird. And it was kind of a waiting game this morning, but it paid off.
Yeah. Team Vital Guide Service, way to go. Show up 10 minutes late.
I forgot chairs.
Yeah, we forgot chairs.
Yeah, but aside from the chairs, we were pretty good. But this bird's, is this your biggest spurred turkey?
Almost. Yeah, big bird. Big spurs, big beard. He's drumming at 10 yards behind us for, what, 5 minutes? It felt like forever, but
Yeah, we had the zoom lens, so we couldn't really capture that, but
yeah, he walked out at 5 yards, and kaboom.
it was awesome.
Gobble, gobble, boom.
Lexi's first turkey hunt, glad she could experience it so she could see why we love it so much, and it was just an awesome morning. Could not be more grateful. So one more tag to go. See if we can fill it on Luke's farm. Maybe hit there in an hour or two, or maybe tomorrow. We'll see.
We're on the way. Thanks, Gage. That wasn't even your turkey.
Cut.